The painting went very well, but now we're going to take off all the other thing here so we can see what's under. Wow, it looks really great. On this red part here I have a lot of paint. It's the right amount of paint. The green parts I paint is a little bit lean. I really want to have more paint on them. So maybe I need to buy some more paint cans. Now everything is uncovered here, and then we do the same on the car. Now I have paint on all things that I have removed from the car, or I have the base coat on everything. I take the clear coat to last, because the clear coat is the type that once you use it, you have to use it, use all of it. It's a two-part clear coat. The thing we have to do now is sand all these surfaces. And I have a little one back here. I think we will start with the one on this. We have the one down here. It's not much to sand on these things, I think, anyway. This will go fast. Then we have all small things like this we have to take care of. Maybe need to do some pudding on them. Sand this. We have to decide if we do full paint on the hood or just a part of the hood. If we do a full paint of the hood, I maybe have to remove it from the car, because it's hard to paint on the flat surface with these spray cans. You have to spray in this direction to get the paint out of the spray can. We have this part, a little thing here, and in the bottom here, and on this side and this side. And that's all. This will go fast. So let's start with the fun stuff here. I will go over it with the 400, just a little light. Then we take the 600 over this part. Now over to 600. This will be perfect. Only the hood left now.
Staring up at the ceiling, did we lose the plot? Get in a fade with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? So staring up at the ceiling, did we lose the plot? Get in a fade with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not.
We will clean this and see what we have after we clean it. I know I have to do something about these small spots here. But it looks good so far. Right now I'm looking closer on this hood here, just to decide how much I should paint or not paint, or if I have to do some more preparation on these spots here. And what we can see, I have small stone, don't know what you call them. Stones have hit the paint and peeled off some paint. But I have some interesting thing over there. This is interesting. Could it be some bird poo that has done something? And then we have this thing over here. You can see it's like a dent, but it's soft. It's air under the paint here, so I have to sand this down and do a repair there. All these small things I have to fix. It's a lot. This is big ones. That is what I have to look into first here, because I want to clean the garage, but if I clean it I don't want to sand anymore, so do all the sanding first. So I will take care of that and these ones, and we take it from there. First we took First I did the 320 paper, 400, and now we go over to 600 here.
Reflections twist in a fevered haze. The crowd is asleep, but I'm still alone, chasing whispers I'll never own. Yeah, it's heavy, it pulls me in, pull me in that twisted maze. Glow, glow, shadow glow, falling deeper. I don't know. Glow, glow, shadow glow, pull me under. Don't let go. Shadow glow, falling deeper. I don't know. Glow, glow, shadow glow, pull me under. Don't let go.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.